As a global manufacturer, you know that unpredictable market dynamics demand change. You're starting to envision a smart factory that fosters an intelligent environment where data drives decision-making and enables autonomous processes. But how do you get there from here? Tech Mahindra and Google Cloud can give you a roadmap. The first step in the journey is data modernization. You need to unify data from across your business. Then, you'll want to adopt modern technologies, including cloud services and AI, and establish data governance to ensure AI models use accurate information. Together, Tech Mahindra, a premier Google Cloud partner, and Google Cloud can help accelerate your journey. Our blueprint for a factory of the future frees data from silos, helps you implement advanced technologies, including Google Cloud's AI capabilities, and enables you to establish robust data governance while creating smooth systems of people and machines. Through data and factory modernization, you can build a more efficient factory that lets you refocus on innovation. Ready to modernize your data and start building your smart factory? To learn more about Tech Mahindra and Google Cloud's smart factory services, visit our webpage